The Beginner's Guide for Dumbbell Chest Fly. Let's get this workout started. Grab some weights. 1 minute, done. Let's start with light to moderate weight for your first set. Make sure you're squeezing your chest at the top when your dumbbells touch. Squeeze that chest, connect your mind with your chest, and exhale on the way up. Make sure you breathe. This is wrong. This is not the way to do this. The last 3 are incorrect. The first 12 are good. Rest 1 minute. We got 3 more. That's your chest workout for today. Put back your mother weights. If you don't put back your weights, it's like it shows it keeps your house dirty. Is your house really dirty? It probably isn't. Your bathroom really is though.
So how you maintain your workout space shows how you keep your car, your bedroom, your house, be clean, be courteous, even though they got people working here. Who cares?
Second set, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second set. On the last 3, look at the elbows. Look at the elbows, keeping your arms slightly bent and a little almost straight. And squeeze that chest at the top when you close. Rest 1 minute. 2 more to go and we're done. Keep your sheesh clean. Keep your sheesh clean. Ten seconds left. After on the last one, I'm going down in weight, so I'm gonna put this weight back, get the lighter weight, and then end with the light weight. That's how you do this. Start light. The 2 sets in between, make them moderate to heavy. The last one, make it light. Oosh. Sheesh. 1 more to go. Rest 1 minute, and that's it. We're done. you're in the clear. Here we go. 10 seconds. 8. I want you to see your feet being pushed into the ground. When you push up, your back being pressed against the bench. When you're pressing up, and then your elbows slightly bent, kind of straight, but not bent, not locked out. Last one. Squeeze that stomach. Last one. Squeeze that chest at the same time. Yo, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next training. Peace and subscribe.